Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and compliments of the season to everybody. I'm so looking forward for the Christmas, just 3 weeks to go. So I just thought I would do a fun video today. So I just shopped from DM and I just wanted to randomly go through the things and show you what all I got. So let's talk and go through the bag. The first and the foremost thing, my favorite Balia face cleansing wipes. These one are specifically with salicylic acid, which is really good for acne prone skin. No alcohol, no ethanol, so I really like them. Next thing I got is this Balia micellar water. Normally I used to try the one from Garnier, specifically for dry and sensible skin. I'm not sure if the Garnier one is without alcohol because I never found it on the bottle, but this one for sure is. It has no alcohol, no perfumes, and also the bottle is a recycled bottle, which is really cool. Along with the micellar water benefits, it also helps to remove the light makeup, which I really like. So just wanted to give it a try and surely I'll be reviewing this. So the next thing I got are the couple of face masks. I got these Beauty iPad masks. Also I got this Dining Gete mask from Balia. Then I got this Balia Med pH Hot Neutral Creme Oil Douche. Now why I got this specific one was I always like the one which is from Rossmann, which is from Olives. That's really good if you have dry skin. I wanted to give it a try, not because for me but for my husband, because he doesn't use a moisturizer after coming out of the shower like normally I do, and I hope this will keep up to my expectations. Next thing I got is this DM Bio Cocoa Chips. I've been looking for these cocoa chips a lot everywhere, I think in Kaufland, Real, and I couldn't find this exact format cocoa chips. I was trying this coconut flavored granola recipe and it called for the cocoa chips. The next one is I got this Linzamen Guns. This is the whole flax seeds from DM. Buying it only from DM all the time because I find it everywhere so expensive to buy flax seeds, and I use flax seeds a lot. They are zero carbs and you can make like this flaxseed chips, flaxseed wraps, and they are really good if you also put it in your protein shakes. I use it for my pancakes. This can be of multiple use, plus it also is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, so always make sure that I have flax seeds in my diet. Next thing I got is this BioVison meal of type 1050. You can make puris, parathas and rotis from this combination of Weizen meal 1050 and Dunkel meal in the in the ratio of 2:1. Also it goes well even if you want to make pita bread or any kind of bread you want, so just the portion would differ. Then I got this amaranth. It's a funny story that I never tried this before, but how I got into it is I just wanted to emphasize there because recently I came across a video where they determine your Ayurvedic body type, and to be honest, me and my family, we have been going to Ayurvedic medicine a lot than going to any Western medicine. So they categorize the body types in 3 categories, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. You have to answer these 15 questions about how you feel, about your body type, about how you eat, how you sleep and how you act, how is your temper, anger management and many other things. And based on these characteristics that you input, they will determine your body type. And all my answers were A, and that determined my body as Vata type, and the characteristics what they determined in the Vata type of body are just me. Most of them are exactly my body type, exactly how I feel, exactly how my body reacts to things, and that helped to determine me that what kind of diet I should be following to keep myself healthy and more like listen to your body. Found that the grains which really helped for my body type are this amaranth or quinoa or wild rice. Let me know if you have any ideas about some recipes or Indian recipes from this. Next one I got this barista oat milk. Just wanted to try something which is vegan there. It also is a very good frother. It's really ideal for your cappuccino, macchiatos, or if you're making hot chocolate this season. Next thing I got is this whole rose zucker. The story of this also comes back to the Ayurvedic body type. They recommend for the sweeteners to eat jaggery and honey in a bit of quantity or in a limited quantity. So this is the unrefined cane sugar and this is the closest I could get for the jaggery which we get in India. So I'm really excited to try this. The next thing I got is this Tempo toilet papers, which I normally keep or use it for multiple reasons, especially when we are traveling or one set in the car. Whenever we travel and go to the public toilet, sometimes there won't be toilet paper and the toilet seats will not be clean, so that time this comes really in handy. And also I like because it comes something like that. Usually the wrappers normally dry out if you don't use it quickly, so I really like this packaging. Next thing I got, this is hand schuler. This is mainly for doing dishes in the kitchen and they last really long, and I especially like the one from Veleda which comes in green. That's more durable than this, but as this also just does the job. That's all in this video guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll soon be back with my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.